And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 24, verse 59 to 61. So they agreed to let Rebekah and old family servant live immediately with Abraham's servant and his men. They gave Rebekah their blessing and said, "We pray that God will give you many children and grandchildren, and that He will help them defeat their enemies." Afterwards, Rebekah and the young women who were to travel with her prepared to leave. Then they got on camels and lived with Abraham's servant and his men. So in this passage, the servant of Abraham together with Rebekah and some servants to go with Rebekah already prepared their way to return to Abraham. So as we can read here also, the entire family of Rebekah bless Rebekah, and they pray that Rebekah might have a better married life. So this all happened because of the divine intervention that God allowed Rebecca to be the future wife of Isaac, and because of the willingness of the servant of Abraham.